When Morley College was rebuilt in the late 1950s, there was a big initiative to install monumental pieces of contemporary art to really epitomise what the college stood for. The commission eventually went to an artist named Martin Froy, who created these really powerful and impressive murals entitled Sun Up, Sun Down, intended to cover the holistic, lifelong nature of education at Morley. They show the sun rising on someone's education, on them gaining and developing their skills as they spend their time at Morley, and then continuing through their life. This has been the central place at Morley for the performing arts. The murals are the defining feature of the Emma Cons Hall. Froy painted these paintings in 1958, and they're now very much in need of repair and restoration to bring back the original colour, to clean up some of the damage, and to make them fitting for this newly redesigned Emma Cons Hall. To undertake this work, we've commissioned licensed conservators. It's a highly involved, highly technical, and very, very skilled process.
The challenge to restore this type of artwork lays on the dimension, because you will have to achieve the same result all over the surface. And also for this specific artwork was quite difficult to remove the watermarks that we found on the surface of the paint. We use the sponges to remove the loose deposit over the paint surface, and also ingrained dirt. For the cleaning, we used adjusted water supported by sponges, and we use a material called Avalon to keep the surface as dry as possible. For the retouching, we used loose pigment that we mix with brushes in a palette to achieve color matching with the original paint. The project was particularly exciting because it was quite nice to see the reaction of people while we were working. It's also quite rewarding to know that these pieces that will be enjoyed by many people during the years, performing all sorts of art form in this room.
For me, the most important thing about the murals is that they're so steeped in Morley history. When restored, they will have bright colours, lots of movement, and be very reminiscent of British art as it was when Morley first reappeared in the aftermath of the war. The newly refurbished Emma Cons Hall is set for another 70 years of orchestral performances, dance recitals, film screenings, and all the other myriad things that take place in this space. To have these murals in their original glory looking down on these performances over the coming decades will provide enormous benefit and joy to generations of students to come.